Discover unparalleled adventure capture with the best DJI Action camera, your ultimate companion in the world of dynamic, high-octane experiences. Renowned for pushing technological boundaries, DJI has crafted an exceptional action camera that redefines the way we capture and relive our most thrilling moments. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best DJI Action cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Meet the DJI Osmo Action, a symphony of technology and resilience capturing life's moments with unparalleled clarity and stability. Ranked as the number 4 best DJI Action camera, this marvel boasts dual screens that empower you to effortlessly frame yourself in any scenario. The front screen vividly paints your presence, while the back screen delivers a crystal-clear, hyper-responsive display, ensuring you never miss a beat. Equipped with rock-steady technology, this camera becomes your steadfast companion, delivering stable, shake-free footage amidst the chaos of action. The 2.3-inch CMOS sensor with 12-megapixel and a wide-angle 145-degree lens enables 4K HDR video shooting, while the 8x slow motion at 1080p and 240 FPS captures epic moves in jaw-dropping detail. Time-lapse functionality condenses time for stunning results, making every shot a masterpiece. Immerse yourself underwater, as the Osmo Action withstands depths of up to 36 feet. Embracing adventure with a waterproof seal and hydrophobic coating. Cold environments are no match for their versatility, performing flawlessly at temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Priced at $328. Step into the world of action-packed storytelling with the DJI Action 2. Crowned as the 3rd best DJI Action camera. Its magnetic allure is not just a design feature, but a gateway to seamless accessory swapping, letting you curate your adventure footage with ease. Tucked snugly in your travel bag, this ultra-compact marvel, complete with a magnetic lanyard and headband, transforms into an extension of your vision, capturing the essence of your surroundings. The DJI Action 2 is more than just a camera, it's a storyteller. Immerse yourself in the richness of the 4K 120 FPS video, revealing details that breathe life into your memories. The wide field of view ensures every inch of your exploration is immortalized on screen. With the DJI Mimo app's AI editor, your epic moments blend seamlessly, backed by vibrant transitions and a soundtrack that resonates with the beat of your adventures. Water is no obstacle for the Action 2, born waterproof and ready to plunge into aquatic realms up to 32 feet deep or 196 feet with the waterproof case. Your hands-free perspective unfolds effortlessly, narrating the world as you perceive it. The DJI Action 2, priced at $307, promises immersive storytelling with a caveat on recording time, dynamically influenced by temperature settings. Dive into the world of breathtaking action with the DJI Osmo Action 3, crowned the number 2 best DJI Action camera. This marvel captures life's vivid moments in a 4K HDR video, painting your memories with over 1 billion colors in a mesmerizing 10-bit color depth. Embark on wild escapades. From skiing down powdery slopes to biking through rugged terrains, the Horizon Steady feature ensures your footage remains smooth and level, a cinematic masterpiece of your daring adventures. Built to endure the harshest conditions, the Action 3 boasts a remarkable 160-minute max battery life, withstanding temperatures as low as 4 degrees Fahrenheit for 150 minutes of continuous recording. Immerse yourself underwater as the Action 3 plunges down to 52 feet without any additional accessories. Dual touchscreens with hydrophobic coating make vlogging, adjusting parameters, and playback a breeze, even with wet hands. The innovative quick-release mounting design allows easy vertical placement on your gear in seconds. The DJI Osmo Action 3 Standard Combo, priced at $329, is your ticket to dynamic and diverse scenarios, including a protective frame, adapter mount, and other essentials. Say hello to the DJI Osmo Action 4, a masterpiece in the realm of action cameras that transcends the ordinary. This isn't just a gadget, it's a gateway to a world of breathtaking possibilities. The camera's large 1.3-inch sensor ensures impeccable image quality, capturing the essence of every adventure, whether under the blazing sun or the muted hues of dusk. Its 10-bit and D-Log M color performance elevates footage, bringing to life golden sunrises and vibrant sunsets with vivid brilliance that leaves audiences in awe. This action camera is not just a fair-weather companion. It fearlessly tackles extreme cold, recording up to 150 minutes nonstop at temperatures as low as 4 degrees Fahrenheit. From the heart-pounding rush of conquering rugged terrains to the finesse of executing daring stunts, the Osmo Action 4's 4K 120 FPS and 155-degree ultra-wide FOV capture every moment with captivating precision. But it's not just about power, it's about versatility. Effortlessly switch between horizontal and vertical shots with the magnetic quick-release feature, unlocking unprecedented creative freedom in seconds. The package includes the DJI Osmo Action 4, one battery, one quick-release adapter mount, and more. A perfect starting point for first-time action camera enthusiasts seeking the magic of 4K footage, priced at $400. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.